Hi, my name is Grant Hardaway. I'm the librarian for the sciences here at Trinity, and today I'm going to talk about a couple simple ways that you can organize your research using OneSearch. So first, I'm just here at lib.trinity.edu. I'm going to do a simple search here for climate change. Okay, now that I have the results that I want, maybe I want to save some of these articles to look at later. You may be inclined to just copy and paste the search results here and email it to yourself or paste it in a document, but this is not a permanent link. If you were to click on this link again later, it would not come up with this page. So you need to be able to save permanent links to these articles. An easy way to do that is you can create an account through EBSCO. So you can click on this sign in option up here. I've already made my account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in, but if you haven't, you can create one here. Now I'm signed in, and so now what I have is I have a folder in which I can put my articles. So if you click on the folder option here, you'll notice you just have your standard My folder, which is an unspecified folder. You can put whatever you would like in there, but you can also create custom folders if you would like to make a folder for a specific class. So for instance, I'm going to create a new folder here for my climate change research. You could create a description too if you would like. I'm going to go ahead and save this folder. So now that I have my folder for climate change research, I'm going to go ahead and go back. Alright, so let's say these are some results that I find interesting. All you have to do, it's very simple. You can click on the add folder icon here, and you can choose which folder you want to put it in. I'll go ahead and put it in the climate change research folder. I'll do it for a few. And now whenever I go back to my folder, I will have those articles in it. And I can easily access it. The links will be permanent, so I don't have any trouble finding it again. Another option that you can do is you can click on the share option here. You could add all the first 50 results from your search into a folder by clicking on that. You could also click on the search that you did. So if you did a advanced search on this and it was somewhat complicated and you want to make sure that you have those same search results again, you could click on the link here. There is a little bit of delay and it's automatically going to be put into your My folder. Also, if you'd rather, you could copy and paste a permanent link to the search. So if you want to just go back to it and not use the folder option, that is an option you can use as well. So let me go back to my folder here and I'll show you what I can see. So if I click on climate change research, you'll see there are 3 articles here. And you can access them just as if they were in the search results. You can also select articles, you can move them to other folders. If you had other custom folders, you could do that as well. You can also delete items from your folder if you no longer need them. Also note, you could email these folders to colleagues, or if you wanted to email it to yourself, you could do that as well. Also, if you would like to share this folder, all you have to do is you click share and you can send it to, perhaps if you're working on a group project, you could send it to a group member. So these are just a few ways you can organize your research. Really simple and straightforward. And I think you'll find if you organize your research instead of having it cluttered about or just making simple notes, it'll be a lot easier when you're actually in the writing process of your paper. There's one folder you can go to, you can see all the articles, have easy, reliable access to them, and that will hopefully make your research process much smoother. All right, thank you for your time and best of luck on your research.